India Bioscience fulfills an unique niche in the Indian life sciences ecosystem by providing a meeting place for the brightest mind from academia, government, and industry at various levels.
Hello everyone and welcome to YIM 2025, a flagship program of India Bioscience. The annual Young Investigators meeting brings together exceptional young investigators, senior scientists, heads of institutes and representatives from all over India and the world for 4.5 days of discussions and interactions focusing on science and careers in the broad range of life sciences in India. The meeting also has a very strong focus on mentorship and networking. And in doing so, in bringing together life science research, mentorship and networking, the YIM series has established a brand in the life science fraternity in India. The meeting is a vibrant atmosphere, as you shall discover over 4.5 days, that fosters the exchange of ideas and catalysis of collaboration between life scientists in the country. In 2025, the meeting that you are all at and we are facilitating, it's a very interesting meeting which has been co-supported by the Department of Biotechnology and Shiv Nadar Institution of Eminence, along with India Bioscience. And India Bioscience would explicitly like to thank our partners DBT and SNIOE for their support. The meeting is divided into two parts. The Young Investigator meeting part, which is a 3-day meeting from 3rd to 5th March, and the Postdoctoral Fellow, which is a 1.5-day meeting across 6th and 7th March. The YIM component of the meeting features special talks, mentor talks, and spotlight talks with a few panel discussions, breakout sessions, icebreaker sessions, and a grant writing session, which will together cover a range of topics relevant to doing life science research in India, such as starting a research group, building collaborations, contemporary conversations in the life sciences in terms of funding and research focus areas, and broadly discussions on the life science ecosystem in the country. The Postdoctoral Fellow Satellite meeting at YIM 2025, which is the latter half of the meeting on 6th and 7th March, which is exclusively for postdoctoral fellows because we want the spotlight to fall on them, will be an opportunity for aspiring faculty who are currently postdoctoral fellows in India and across the world, seeking to start their research group in India, to interface directly with senior scientists, vice chancellors, directors, deans, representatives from institutes, organizations, universities across the country, and hopefully will be a ignition point or a starting point for future discussions on seeking positions at these institutes and universities. So we're excited to welcome you to YIM 2025. It's been a lot of work in putting this meeting together, and here I have to shine the light on YIM 2025 co-organizers, Anil, Karthik and Rohini, as well as the YIM 2025 team at India Bioscience, Ankita Rathod, Arushi Batra, Momita Mazumdar, Manjula Harikrishna and Shweta. We have curated what we hope is a very, very exciting and interesting week for the life science community in the country. And welcome to the meeting and look forward to engaging with you across the week.